Welcome to the Data Science Ascent course. This is a complete 8-module journey designed to take you from a total beginner to a production-ready data scientist through 75 episodes of structured learning. This course is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team and TechnovativeAI.
Our promise is simple. We move you from being a beginner to building production-ready models. You will work with real messy data to answer actual questions, not just follow along with toy examples. Many data science courses trap students in, quote, tutorial hell by focusing on syntax first. This often leaves you able to copy code, but unable to start or complete a project on your own. The Data Science Ascent way is different. We prioritize concepts first, so you understand the why before writing code. This leads to real ownership, allowing you to build projects from scratch. Our route consists of 75 episodes across 8 modules. This is a single, continuous, and carefully designed curriculum where every lesson builds on the last. The ascent begins with foundations, mindset, and computational thinking. We then move into essential math and statistics for machine learning, followed by practical data wrangling techniques. As we reach the summit, the modules cover machine learning foundations, deep learning, specialized domains like NLP and computer vision, and finally, production practice to ship your work. We teach the Python thread progressively. Each tool is introduced only when you understand the underlying concept it automates, ensuring that libraries no longer feel like magic. Our Python stack starts with core programming, then moves to NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, PyTorch, and finally Hugging Face for state-of-the-art natural language processing. This course is designed for absolute beginners, career switchers, data analysts looking to deepen their skills, or anyone who has previously struggled with code-first learning approaches. To be clear, this course is not for everyone. It requires active work. Every module includes hands-on deliverables, because we believe the honest truth of doing the work builds the most trust. Your capstone project is yours, not ours. From the very first episode, you will frame a problem from your own life or work, carrying it through the course until it is a fully deployed solution. The project thread is visualized here, showing how worksheets, module deliverables, and your final project chain together to ensure you have built and shipped something real by the end. In summary, 75 episodes, 8 modules, 6 core Python tools, and 1 final capstone project. This is a comprehensive, intentional, and entirely free curriculum. Episode 1 is live now. We invite you to watch it, try the 10-minute exercise, and see if this path is right for you. Subscribe, and let's start the climb.